The sun peeked through the thick green leaves. Monty the monkey woke up in his tree home. Monty the monkey had quick hands and feet. He also had a long tail for balancing. Monty the monkey was ready for adventure. He looked down from his branch. Other monkeys were already playing. Chirp chatter went Monty the monkey. That was how he said good morning. Monty the monkey grabbed a vine. He swung through the air. We went Monty the monkey. Swinging was so much fun. He swung from one tree to another. He was fast and agile. Monty the monkey saw some bright red fruits. Yum yum, thought Monty the monkey. He quickly climbed to the branch with the fruit. He picked a juicy one and took a big bite. Delicious, thought Monty the monkey. He shared some fruit with his monkey friends. Sharing makes fruit taste even better. Suddenly Monty the monkey heard a loud sound. Eek eek, went Monty the monkey. He quickly climbed higher up the tree. It was just another jungle animal passing by. Monty the monkey felt safe high in the trees. He loved his jungle home. He spent the rest of the day swinging and playing. Sometimes he rested by grooming his fur. Sometimes he watched the world below. As the sun set, Monty the monkey found his cozy spot. He curled up with his monkey family. Another day of climbing and swinging for Monty the monkey.